In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can delete or insert data in a data frame. So first we are going to learn how to delete data from the data frame. So this is our series which we have made in the last lesson as well, and it is represented by the letter D. So see, again I will show you how you have to write down series. So first you have to start from the curly braces, and this is the label or the name of the column, and then pd dot series. This s should be in uppercase because it's a case sensitive. Then in square bracket you have to write down these items, and these are the index of these items. So see, there are 4 items, so 4 indices. In the next second column we have 5 items, and the index are also 5. So we are going to convert these series into a data frame. So how you will write down the function? Df is equal to pd dot data frame, and D I have used the letter D. Why? Because here I have used D as well. Whatever you are going to refer here, same name you have to write down here. So now I am going to run. So we will see that there are 2 columns, first and second, and these are the index, right? We have discussed this in the first lesson very well. So if you want to add some more columns here, so what you have to do first is write down df in square bracket name of the column. What you want your name of the column should be. I said third because this is first, second and third, is equal to third column should be the product of first and second column, this one. If there are 2 numbers, then the system will multiply, otherwise you will see NaN, right? No value. So I will run this for you, and you will see that there is a third column as well. Now suppose if we want to add one more column, column 4, and the column 4 should be the sum of first column and second column. So here I have written the function, and then I will run for you. You will see there is one more column 4. Right? So why I have made these 2 columns? Now I am going to show you how to delete these columns. Suppose if you do not want column number 3, if you do not want column number 4, or any column, first or second or whatever. Suppose if you have 100 columns and you do not want some columns, so how you can delete? There are 2 ways. One is called the pop function and other is the delete function. I will show you here both. What is the pop function means? Pop function return and delete the column. Now what is the meaning of return? See, third column you want to delete. Here we are going to use the pop function. So you have to write down df.pop and in parenthesis third. Right? When I will run this, so you will see it will return the values. So the pop function will return and then delete the column. So you will see these are the values of column number 3. Now when I am going to run my df, my data frame, so there is no more column number 3. So this is the pop function. It will return the column and then it will give you, then it will delete. But here I am going to use the delete function directly. Do not use the delete word, only del, delete which column? Column number 4, right? So it will not give the return output directly, it will delete from the system. So see, now we have only column number first and second. So you have learned how you can delete or you can add the columns. Here now I am going to show you how you can insert, right? You have to use the insert function, df.insert to same as first. Now what is the meaning of this syntax, right? To means where you want to insert, right? 0, 1, 2. I say I want here, so this is 2. If I say between first and second, you have to write down here 1. If you want to insert here, then you have to write down 0. I will show you 2. Now it is your job, you have to practice it by writing down 1 and 0 and whatever. If you have many columns where you want to insert, and same as first, what this shows, what should be the name of your column? I said same as first, so this will be the third next column, and the name or label of this column will be same as first. Okay, df first. I said I want this same column here. So here I have written this. When I am going to run this for you, you will see we have another column and the name is same as first and all the members or all the items are same. Now you can try it. Make it 0, it will insert here, right? Change the name of the column. Okay, write down here second. So if you want, you can make a copy of the second column here, or if you want to insert here, then use 1. Okay, move on. Here is df half, right? If we want to insert a next column, the name should be, I said, half, and it should be the column number, sorry, yes, column 4, and it should be the copy till 4. Okay, I will show you, then I will run this and I will show you what is the meaning of this function. See, the name of the function is, name of the column is half, right? And it is the copy of second column, this one, right? So up to 4, 1 2 3 4. So see, 3000, 1000, 2000. If I say I want this as well, we can change this value up to 5 and then run it, right? If you want, suppose for the first column, so instead of second, write down first, right? And if you want 1 2 3 till here or here or here, whatever, change the values, practice it, make the names of the labels or name of the columns different, make this indices different, right? And play with it. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.